Next up, let's come out of keyboard mode. So we're looking at the group as a whole. Here is the pad that's going to lend itself to some nice chords. So another button further along at the top, we've got chords. So one pad press will give you chords. What we can do here is we can choose what type of chords we're going to be hearing. So right now, because I've got harm selected, and in the next button over, we've got 1, 3, 5. This is going to be playing all the chords that we can obtain in the mode of C Dorian. So things like C minor. What would that be? That would be D minor, E flat major, and so on and so forth. So all of the chords that we are allowed to make in C Dorian. What is also really cool is we could change those to 7th chords potentially, 1, 3, 5, 7. Well, the other thing we could do is opt for a chord set. So we've got a range of different chord sets. Now, this will not only include a selection of the harmonic chords available, the diatonic chords in C Dorian, but also chuck in some extra ones borrowed from elsewhere. And it's really easy to just throw some chords down and, you know, have fun with the sound design rather than worrying about maybe the music theory. In this instance though, let's just go for harmonic chords and let's have some nice 7ths in there. So I'm going to duplicate the pattern. Find some nice chords. Yeah, that'll do. So shift, count in. Shift and quantize. So there you have it. From the micro hardware, we've browsed for a group that we like. We've been able to manipulate instrument parameters. We've used the touch strip to modulate the sound and do some pitch bend. We have used note repeat, step sequence and playing pads in live to record some patterns. And we've used some of the smart play options, the keyboard mode where you can quantize to a scale, and chords as well on top of that.